I'm Gail Stormwing.
I'm Ramford Beekman, and you're watching BiRD News.
We begin today's episode by going to Mateo for a detailed technical report on the latest in the list of non-allo-related updates.
This is Mateo Aerocrest reporting live on the newly updated Kai Kia. New model? Check. New abilities? Probably. Improved fiesta potential? I sure hope so. Let's find out.
Okay, I see where this is going, but can we get some real information first?
Okay, the second part of the Kai update is finally here and... And just look at those colors. Are those new skins? I don't know, but they are definitely proper fiesta attire.
This is supposed to be a detailed technical report.
Mateo, you forgot something. Here.
I give up. Just do what you gotta do.
This time, I will finally get the ramp.
It's not that deep, Chief. You just got a TLC. Time to update your attitude.
Fine.
Now this is a proper fiesta. And now to address Gail's request for real information. Look at this new move. What I want to know is who did it better. Let us know in the comments.
While that was technically real information, it was not useful information. But I'm not giving up on this broadcast yet.
I can do useful information.
Anyone else? Anyone?
I got you, Gail. This is Ramford Beekman with useful information about the new quest items and their locations. Barnacles found in waterways around mudflats. Periwinkle found in shallow tide pools. Diseased fish found near the shore in clusters of sticks and kelp. This is not food. I repeat, not food. Wing spread for emphasis. Peeling bark at the bases of trees in twisted forest. Do you mind? Pink yarrow found all around twisted forest, replacing the snakeweed quest.
Well, that was unexpected. In the last 30 seconds, Ramford had delivered more useful information than in the first 3 seasons combined. Wonder what's gonna happen next.
So Gail, I was just thinking, maybe I should join the Ramf Club for no reason at all.
And I was just thinking I could use a new reporter on the team. When's the Microraptor coming again?